Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the state universities. It will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government university faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. So it will be very much helpful to them, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues also. And here the different subjects are also mentioned here, and it is assistant professor academic level 10 category. That is the salaries in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And after watching this video, if your subjects are not covered in this one, then please mention your subjects or the requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video. So here we're going to see total 4 colleges recruitment notifications. Out of the 4, 2 are the state universities. One is a private university. Second one is a state university affiliated college. Okay. So out of the 4 recruitment notifications, the first one is the Cotton University. So from this one, from Guwahati. So here we got the recruitment notification from this one for the regular positions of the assistant professor category that you may check down. So professor academic level 14, 8 positions, and associate professor academic level 13A, 24 positions, and associate professor 10, academic level 10, and 7 vacancies are there. So applications should be sent in both soft and hard copies. Last dates of receipt of applications via email is 30th November 2021, and postal services 10th December 2021, and the overseas candidates 20th December 2021. Fine. So these are the details, and coming to the subjects, you may check down here. And I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so to get the accurate and more details, you please visit the official website of this one also. So coming to the professor academic level 14, the subjects are archaeology, botany, commerce, English, molecular biology and biotechnology, political science, statistics, zoology, and computer science, and Center for Cloud and Climate Science, and Center for Language, Culture and Arts, chemistry, commerce, environmental biology and wildlife science, education, English, history, law, mass communication, journalism, mathematics, philosophy, physics and political science, psychology, sociology, statistics and zoology. So these are the department vacancies for the professor as well as associate professor. And coming to the assistant professor academic level 10 category, the vacancies are archaeology, botany, chemistry, commerce, education, physics and zoology. Okay, and you may check down here as per the caste category also, the number of vacancies are also mentioned here in this table. So of course very few vacancies are there, but anyhow nowadays the getting vacancies from the universities are very rare. Okay, so utilize the opportunity if you are eligible and interested. So candidates are required to pay an amount of 2,000 rupees, and in case of SC/ST 1,000 rupees as application fee. Okay, so age will be calculated as on July 1st, 2021. Fine. So these are all the details, guys, and the candidate must email a soft copy or copies of all relevant documents along with the application form in a single PDF to the recruit2021@cottonuniversity.ac.in. After that one, you need to send a hard copy of the filled in application form along with the photocopies of the relevant documents to register Cotton University, Pan Bazar, Guwahati 781001, India. the candidates must produce the original certificates or the documents testimonials at the time of interview. So based upon your applications, they will directly call for the interview, guys. Okay, so utilize the opportunity, and here the payment link is also given here. So register yourself at the appropriate link provided. Make payment for application fee against the registration ID created, and the candidates paying in foreign currency, the following account details are given here. Right? And coming to the next state university is the Gurugram University. So from this one, we got the recruitment notifications for the subjects: pharmaceutical sciences, media studies, Hindi, physics, chemistry, and education. So walk-in interview date is 21st October 2021 morning 9 o'clock. And the venue is also given here: Gurugram University, Mayfield Garden, Sector 51, Gurugram. The interested eligible candidates who possess the qualifications prescribed by the UGC for the post of assistant professor may report for walk-in interview along with filled application forms and original documents or degrees at 9:30 a.m. with one set of attested copies of the same. TADA will not be provided for attending the interview, guys. Right? And these are all the details, and I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So coming to the payment, 1000 rupees per lecture will be provided. If the PhD candidates are there, 35,000 rupees, and the non-PhD with net qualified, 30,000 rupees per month will be available. Fine. So, and here the application form is also attached with this PDF. Of course, anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay. And coming to the next one is a private university, that is a Birla Global University. So from this one, the applications are invited for the recruitment of Assistant Director of Physical Education and Sports in Birla Global University, Bhubaneswar. So candidates having the master's degree in physical education or sports science with at least 55% of marks or equivalent grade and having cleared NET or having PhD with 3 years relevant experience may be applied to careers@bgu.ac.in. Fine. So the candidates who belongs to physical education department and sports, you can utilize this opportunity, guys. So, and next one. Yeah, so it is the next one. It's looking blur, but anyhow I will read, guys. So Varahalakshmi Narsimha Swami Educational Trust from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Here the staff recruitment notification for the 3 different colleges: Engineering and Technology, Architecture and Planning, Agriculture Engineering. Walk-in interview on 22nd October 2021 morning 10 o'clock. Okay, and interested candidates can attend with copies of PAN, Aadhaar, all relevant educational qualifications and experience certificates with the latest passport size photograph on 22nd October 2021 morning 10 o'clock for the following positions. Coming to the departments: AME, Civil, EEE, Mechanical, ECE, Architecture, MBA, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and English. Okay, and lecturer or teaching assistant for the diploma position: Civil, EEE, Mechanical, Agricultural Engineering. Okay, and qualifications as per the ACT norms, work experience in NBA is preferred. Okay, pay scale as per the pay CT, guys. And coming to the lab or technicians also required in this department. So qualification BTech or diploma or IT in the relevant subject. Hostel warden also required. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, here the contact number is also provided: 8912892901. So you may forward your resume to the hrvlnset@vietvsp.com on or before 20th October 2021 by evening 6 o'clock. Fine. So these are the different colleges notification, guys. One is a state university affiliated college. Next one is a private university. And coming to this one is a state university with regular faculty positions. And the next one is the on clock hour basis, that means the lecture basis. Okay, it is also from the state university. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And whatever the jobs you are looking for, in the description box of this video I kept one Google form. Okay, so fill up that one with a small registration fee, that is 100 rupees. So whatever the jobs you are looking for, we will search on behalf of you and directly send to your registered mail ID. Okay, so and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means. Commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also. Okay, regarding the different subjects. Okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,